Hi, my name is Spencer Shields. I'm a trial attorney in Kansas City, Missouri, and I have over 15 years experience of doing jury trials on both motor vehicle accidents, tractor trailer accidents, and product liability claims. Today I'm going to talk to you generally about why you should think about hiring myself and my firm if you're on the internet searching for counsel to represent you or a loved one. I'm affiliated with a firm in Kansas City, Missouri that we do only plaintiff's work. Again, I've been doing this for over 15 years. I have multiple jury trials under my experience. If you are viewing this blog, you're likely on the internet searching for counsel. I can tell you that in this day of media and audio and internet, attorneys are vying harder and harder than ever to get cases. Mass media, commercials, things of that nature are employed by a lot of attorneys more and more and firms to get cases. The one thing I do want you to understand is, and I've worked for some of these firms, if you're viewing a commercial on TV or a phone book, advertisement, something of that nature, attorneys and firms that do that employ a lot of money. They spend a lot of money to get your business. On the flip side, the attorney that ends up handling your case, a lot of times you're assigned to an associate who's got less experience, sometimes no trial experience, to handle the matter. Second, I can tell you inside a lot of firms that do a lot of heavy advertising, there is a lot of financial pressure within the firm to roll cases as quick as possible to keep the cash flow going to pay for the advertising. A lot of times that means the interests of the client or the interests of actually maximizing the value on a case is not the primary concern in a firm. I'd like to tell you different, but in the reality of the real world, that is sometimes and a lot of times plays out in firms that do a lot of advertising. With my own practice, I limit my cases to severe injury accidents and wrongful death claims only. I do not do a lot of smaller end cases. It's not that I don't respect the process or anything of that nature or what the family's going through with regard to a whiplash type incident or something of that nature. But the facts are insurance companies are fighting harder than ever and employing resources harder than ever to defeat claims and limit claims. More and more, I can tell you in automobile litigation, I'm having to file lawsuits on roughly 95% of the cases that I take. But I only take cases if I'm willing to try the case. And to try the case, it has to involve an injury severe enough that warrants taking it before a jury, spending the year, 2 years in litigation, and spending the amount of money that it takes to hire the doctors and the experts to testify on a case. Unfortunately, there's so many hours in a day. My business model within my firm is to again limit our practice to severe injury automobile accidents and product liability claims, wrongful death claims resulting from those incidences, and when they do occur, we take them and we work them up and we get full value for those cases. The insurance industry knows the attorneys that you hire. If you hire a mass advertiser that is known to settle quick and roll cases and leave what's called leave money on the table, they track us as much as they track people that make a lot of claims. So again, the insurance industry, I want you to realize it's a billion-dollar industry. It's very sophisticated. It has a lot of resources at its disposal and 200 years of experience in trying to limit and or again outright deny people on their claims. We typically are handling no more than anywhere from 30 to 50 clients at a time. Again, we try to limit that and do a very thorough and diligent job on the cases that we do take, again, for severely injured plaintiffs and families on wrongful death claims. Again, I'm based in Kansas City, Missouri, but I handle cases all across the states of Missouri and Kansas, but routinely take cases in other states, both in the Midwest and even on the West Coast and East Coast, depending on the injury, the type of claim, etc. So if you're looking for trial counsel, you want somebody that's going to spend the time and attention on your case, and you actually want to retain an experienced trial attorney. In this instance, if you hire me, you will get me. Again, my name's Spencer Shields. You can view me at spencershields.com or shieldofjustice.net. You can call us or email us, and someone will promptly get back with you with regard to what you're calling in on. Appreciate it, and thank you for viewing.